push. Let's see you push it.
It's soon because I go down.
Come on. Keep going.
Let's see it go down itself.
Is it going to be long enough? What do you think? Looks like it might just about cover it. Whoa! Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Not there at the end. Nearly at the end. Oh, keep going. Well, I think that's far enough. Well done, Robbie. We've got to just spread it out now. Going to take the tube away. Give it to Grandad. Grandad would love that tube.
Yeah.
Is that alright your side? Hang on. Hang on, Robbie. hang on. I better do this bit.
Why?
Because you're pulling the wrong piece. Let me just find the piece of the pull a minute, okay? Where's the end? I don't know where it is. So are you going to pull that? Well done. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Right, that's it. And go up in the middle now. Pull a bit up in the middle. Right, I think that's enough pulling. That's it. Pull some up in the middle. Up, that's it. Well done. Very well done, Robbie. Keep going. You are, certainly. Keep going, Robbie. Pull it over. That's it. Try not to get squashed by it.
I've done it.
Well done. Here we go, back from holiday now, and Tom's managed to put some straw on top of the maize clamp, and we're just going to fill up the front with a few tyres, but it'll be open again in probably a month's time.
That's it.